Mark, why do you pick such loud places to shoot at?
I know, it sucks sometimes, doesn't it? You ready?
Hey, what's up, guys? Remember this guy? Did you guys forget about me? Well, I'm back. Guys, today, downtown on Fremont Street, I'm doing a video on 5 reasons why it sucks making a video with Mark, the other me. Today, guys, we got Michele joining us in today's video. Hey, Michele, how we doing?
Hey, how are you?
And the person of the hour, we got
Why am I
Marc.
the person of the hour?
Because this video is about you and why it sucks making a video with you.
Yes, it sucks making a video. It sucks so bad, Michelle's carrying my name on her purse.
And it's spelled correctly,
And
too.
my shirt.
And I'm on her shirt.
The other me's biggest fan.
I'm so honored. I don't know how they found me, but they found me.
So, guys, let's start with the number 1 reason why it sucks making a video with Mark. It's because everybody knows Mark and he keeps getting stopped everywhere. That is the number 1 reason why it sucks making a video
We found it.
with Mark, the other me.
Everybody knows him too.
Quiet place.
Thank you guys so much. Subscribers to all of us.
Subscribe to your channel. Bay Area.
Oh, there he is. You're doing 5 minutes stuck about doing a video with Marc. How long you here for? Oh, really? Saturday tomorrow? Yeah, I'll be live down there. Yeah, then Tuesday I'll be walking live stream for 4th of July. See? That wasn't all about me. Did you notice that? They knew who Joe was. Had nothing to do with me.
So, guys, Michele, you gonna give Billy another sticker? Your glittery one?
I'm the only one on this megaphone.
Okay.
Can I speak?
That's right, world. I got 2 stickers. What do you got? You should order one. Go to MichelleShop.com.
So, guys, number 3 reason why it sucks shooting with Mark is because he's always talking behind you
No,
or
I don't.
talking in your shot or in your shot somehow, guys.
Now that we're under the experience, it's definitely a lot better. I mean, obviously we're not like directly in the sun, but we got water, we're gonna hydrate.
For those of you that don't know, this is, oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
So, guys, the number 4 reason on why it sucks to shoot with Mark, because Mark always picks the worst days to shoot on, guys. Today, Sunday, I think it's July 2nd, guys. It's 110 degrees today, guys. We are sweating our booties off, guys. It's freaking hot today. So I made it outside here to the new Carousel bar. It's so freaking hot. Got myself a brewski to cool off with. Got myself an atomic duck. Alicia was kind enough to give me a glass of water also. Thank you, sweetie. Appreciate you. Because it is super hot today. So, guys, Michele was giving me the skinny on Carousel Bar. They got a secret menu on their, on the back of their menu. If you scan that QR code, I guess. You can see right here, actually. You got a secret menu. Alright guys, the fifth reason why it sucks shooting a video with Marc, the other me, is... I'm just kidding guys, there is no fifth reason. In fact, there's no reason why it sucks shooting with Marc. You guys know we love Marc. Marc's the best here. The Godfather of Fremont.
It totally sucks.
This video was a total joke. I love shooting with Marc. Especially on 110 degree days.
Yeah, the 110 degrees, it hit 109 a few minutes ago.
Yeah.
It totally sucks, but I'm just glad to see Joe film it again and get back at it.
So guys, if this video sees a light of day, I'll be shocked. I'll be shocked. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this year's video. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm sorry guys, I haven't made a video in so long, but it's great to be back. Good to see everybody. Thanks for watching, guys. My name is Joe, and you just watched Straight Outta Vegas. So if you're feeling that vibe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I release future videos. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you.